Christianity highlights the 7 deadly sins: pride, envy, wrath, gluttony, lust, sloth, and greed. These are viewed as significant moral failings, subject to divine punishment. Although our present-day thoughts on the sins may vary, our societal attitudes toward human shortcomings often mirror the severity of the past. But what if we took a different approach? Rather than viewing these sins solely as mistakes and failures, they can be seen as indicators of unmet desires and opportunities for personal development. Understanding the deeper motivation behind these behaviors allows for a more compassionate approach to self-improvement. Pride, the sense of superiority, is not merely about boasting. It likely emerges from insecurity. Those who appear excessively proud may be compensating for an underlying fear that their very existence is meaningless. Rather than outright ridicule, they may benefit more from encouragement to find genuine pride in their merits. Envy, often condemned, could be seen as a signal for personal growth. Rooted in the legitimate insight that others have something we do not, envy could be a teacher if we navigate its signals. Rather than fostering guilt, a perfect response would involve understanding the gaps in ourselves and working towards personal development towards the things we envy. Anger, born from a genuine care about a situation, may result in hurtful words and mean actions. Instead of fighting fire with fire, a more effective response is to acknowledge the reasonings of the angry person. Try to have a more empathetic reaction to angry outbursts. Gluttony may indicate emotional starvation. Instead of advising someone to eat less, a more helpful approach involves assisting them in discovering new sources of kindness, security, and emotional connection. The excess weight might symbolize emotional undernourishment rather than inherent greed for food. Lust, often judged harshly, may be a search for connection and acceptance. Rather than suppressing lust, there's potential in being clear about genuine needs in relationships, seeking acceptance of our complex selves. Sloth, interpreted as laziness, may actually be rooted in the fear of failure. Instead of berating the lazy, understanding their worries about potential humiliation and offering support could be more productive. Greed, the urge to take more, often stems from a feeling of deprivation and vulnerability. Rather than condemning the greedy, recognizing the internal desperation and addressing the unmet needs can lead to a more compassionate understanding. In essence, these so-called sins might be expressions of unmet needs, and a compassionate approach involving open affection, forgiveness without criticism, and tender encouragement can facilitate personal reform. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.